Who are the rulers in Solo Leveling? Ever wondered who the real puppet masters are behind the chaos in Solo Leveling? Enter the rulers, mysterious godlike entities with a secret agenda. But are they saviors or manipulators? Let's break it all down and uncover their role in this epic story. The rulers are one of the two dominant factions in the world of Solo Leveling, the other being the monarchs. Think of them as celestial beings tasked with maintaining balance in the multiverse. They wield immense power and are considered protectors of humanity. But hold on, it's not as black and white as it seems. The rulers are a group of powerful beings who oppose the monarchs. While the monarchs are associated with destruction and chaos, the rulers claim to stand for order and preservation. They're led by the brightest fragment of light who guides their decisions. These beings can bestow power upon select humans, creating national level hunters like Christopher Reed and Thomas Andre. Their goal? To stop the monarchs from spreading destruction across different worlds. Sounds noble, right? But here's the twist, they're not entirely innocent. The rulers have been known to manipulate events to serve their own agenda, even if it costs human lives. Let's be real for a second. Imagine being a regular guy one day and then getting powers from the rulers to fight world ending monsters. Sure, it's cool, but who's paying for the therapy sessions after that? These hunters need a mental health budget. The rulers play a significant role in the larger conflict between the monarchs and humanity. They secretly aid humanity by granting powers and stepping in during critical moments. Remember how the rulers intervened during the catastrophic gate openings? They also supported Jinwu indirectly by sending allies like Thomas Andre to fight alongside him. However, their hands are tied by a cosmic rulebook. They can't interfere directly unless certain conditions are met, which often leaves humanity vulnerable to the monarch's attacks. This indirect interference is one of the reasons why Jinwu ends up shouldering so much of the burden. Here's something you might have missed. Did you know that Sung Jinwoo's father, Sung Ilwan, was directly influenced by the rulers? He was sent back to Earth with their power to protect humanity. But even with their intervention, the rulers couldn't stop the monarchs' onslaught. It makes you question, are they really as powerful as they claim to be? Or is there more to their limitations? And let's not forget, the rulers are just as shady as the monarchs at times. They talk about protecting humanity, but their tactics pretty questionable. Kind of like saying we're here to save you while secretly putting you in even more danger. So, are the rulers the true heroes of Solo Leveling, or are they just playing a cosmic chess game with humanity as the pawns? What do you think? Let me know in the comments. And if you were given a choice, would you side with the rulers or the monarchs?